Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about 10 must-have items from TEMU. Now, the items I'm going to be showing you are all bestsellers and all are very highly rated. The first one is this luxurious blanket here. You can see it's only $7. There's a lot of color you can pick from, and you can even pick a lot of size for it as well. This is what the products look like. Looks very comfortable, very warm. Only $7 as well. It's 88% off apparently as well, so why not get it? The next item I'm going to be showing you is an on and off switch. Now it's the kind that plugs right into your wall and it will act like a hub, right? So there's a USB port here and there's also a couple of other ports here that you can connect to. So it can add as a extension to your current wall socket as well. There's two color as well, white and black, and you can only get it for $16 here, pretty cheap. The next one is of course a throne here. You can see this is a #1 bestseller as well. Now you could see that usually drones are very pricey, especially in the professional looking one like these, especially with a camera one as well. But for this one, it's only being sold for $24. Pretty good, pretty cheap. Next one is these slippers, right? These very comfortable and warm looking slippers. These are only being sold for $15 with 84% off. And they come in a variety of colors with also a variety of size that you can toggle between each one. The next one I want to be showing you is this waterproof mattress, right? So no matter if you get it wet or you spill water on your mattress, it will be waterproof and it's only $20. There's a lot of colors you can pick from as well. And of course, you can pick the size for it too. Now, the next one I'm going to be showing you is this car battery charger. Pretty useful to have just in case inside of your car and it's only $26, right? And you can see this is what the product will look like. Again, it's a #1 bestseller. The next one is this 12-piece set of thick bedroom, living room full coverage interlocking carpet tiles. So if you don't want the traditional carpet, you can get these interlocking one just in case. These are good with for kids and all of those in betweens. You can see this is what the product will look like. And you can get these sets for $19. You can get 12 of these set for a variety of color as well. And again, it's only $20. Now, the next one is these aluminum lithium battery here, right? This is a pretty big battery. It's useful for all sorts of things. Maybe you can use it in an emergency, but be fast. It's almost sold out and it's around $60. Pretty reasonable for a battery. The next one is this, again, a waterproof mattress. Now, this is a really good one. You can see it's a different color from the one I showed you earlier, and this one is only $18. So about $2 more cheaper than the previous one. You can see this is what the waterproof mattress will look like. Now, the last one I want to show you is this mini projector. So if you don't want to get a TV or a monitor, but you still want to watch things in the big screen, you can get this instead. So you can see this is like a projector for movies and all of those sort of stuff. And it's only $16. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.